Enduring those endless amount of touring and traveling with your bikes getting punctured and even your cars included in that, while we push and pull our bikes and cars through endless amount of distances just to try to find a filling station. It's a lot of effort. Well, here's something that will fascinate you all for sure. The brilliant minds at Xiaomi here has got an excellent product for the touring mindset in you and for the daily commuters as well. The guys out here have an excellent product which has a built-in power bank. Trust me when I'm telling you this thing will fill your bike or car in under 6 minutes. Plus, the best part, it doesn't need a 12-volt charger socket. Isn't that amazing? And all for just something for under 3,000 rupees. Man, that's fascinating. Let's see how it works, shall we? So what this basically is that it has an iPod style interface up front of you and has a button style design where the dial rotates and you can set the preset pressure for both footballs, cycles, bicycles, bikes and even cars. The best part about this, on one full charge this will fill up to 4 different tires and top up to 10 different tires as well. I'm definitely excited to know how it works. Let's check it out. Well, this is the MI Portable Electric Air Compressor.